So just going into a little bit how to interact and navigate through the human-machine interface here on this machine. So we've got some information here on our home screen. Right at the top we have length set. What that is the length of our labeled jog. So when we hold our length set button, that number is going to change as our labels increment forward. Down here we have count. What count is the number of labels that we have dispensed in a given production cycle. P stands for preset, and what that is the number of labels that we will dispense until the machine shuts itself off automatically. We can turn that value on and off later in the menu. But what that does is allow a customer to essentially tell the machine, after our production run of 250 units is over, shut yourself down automatically. Getting into the menu now, we're going to press the bottom left button, which says menu. So first thing, it shows us our pre-count. We can zero out that pre-count value by using the digit and value buttons. So the value button is going to adjust the value of the digit that is selected, and the digit button is going to change the digit that you have selected for adjustment. So you can see as I move through here, I've zeroed out our pre-count settings. Another thing that is quite common if you're not using pre-count is to set them all to the max settings, which would be 9s across the board. So moving along, our next setting is label position. What this is talking about, what label position is talking about, is not your length set. We need to make sure that we don't get those two confused. Label position is the position of the label on your package itself. And what this truly is a delay value. So what this means, with this set, with label position set here to 0, what we've now told the machine is the instant the product sensor mounted to the guide rail here sees our container, fire a label. And every time we increment this label position up, it's going to move approximately the label 1 millimeter back on the container. So the higher this number is, the more time will elapse between this sensor seeing the container and the label head itself dispensing the label.